Welcome to our channel. If you need a quick guide to connect your Fitbit tracker to your iPhone, follow these step-by-step instructions for fast and easy setup. Step 1. Download the Fitbit app from the Apple App Store and install it on your iPhone. Step 2. Open the app and sign up for a new Fitbit account or log in with existing credentials. Step 3. Tap the profile icon in the app, then select Set up a device. Step 4. Choose your Fitbit model from the list of available devices displayed. Step 5. Ensure your Fitbit is charged and close to your iPhone during pairing. Step 6. The app will search for your device. When it appears, tap on it to start connecting. Step 7. If prompted, enter the 4-digit code shown on your Fitbit screen to confirm pairing. Step 8. Complete your profile by adding personal information and fitness goals. Enable Bluetooth and notification permissions when asked. Your Fitbit is now paired and will automatically sync your health and fitness data with your iPhone throughout the day. You can view all your stats in the Fitbit app anytime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.